Hey, are you looking for a huge place in Glendale that has literally everything you could possibly want and under $750,000? Well, I have got the place for you. I'm Dusti Martin with Corcoran Platinum Living. Welcome to my newest listing at 12775 North 58th Avenue in Glendale, Arizona. This 4,359 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home sits on a huge 14,537 square foot lot, making it one of the largest lots in the entire neighborhood. As if that's not enough of a wow factor, this property also boasts an 820 square foot, 1-bedroom, 1-bath casita with its own 2-car garage, in addition to the 3-car garage on the main house. Want a usable RV gate? It's got that too. Moving indoors, let's talk cabinets. This home has cabinets and storage for days. We're talking about $80,000 worth of custom cabinets in the kitchen, great room, upstairs loft, and the massive butler's pantry. No expense was spared to make this large home space efficient and functional. Just off the pantry, you'll find the ginormous laundry room equipped with not just extra cabinets, a sink, and counter for folding all your laundry, but there's also space and electrical outlets run for not 1, but 2 dryers and an extra fridge. The home also offers 2 master suites, both equipped with their own ensuite bathroom, one upstairs and one downstairs. Upstairs, you'll find a 3rd full bath with 3 additional and exceptionally large bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet. Before heading back downstairs, be sure to check out the large loft that's already pre-wired for your surround sound system and projector. Moving out back, you'll find your own private resort-style living. The huge backyard hosts your massive diving pool, complete with water slide and your very own private grotto behind the waterfall. To schedule a private showing or to see what your home might sell for in today's market, go ahead and give me a call at 480-717-9405 or visit my website at dustimartinrealtor.com.